Hey guys! Today we're going to show you how we update or upgrade the Mercedes MBUX system with features like CarPlay and Android Auto activated. The head unit is brand new and comes with the most recent navigation map database, as well as an Apple CarPlay and Android Auto license. The head unit also supports the dash camera feature. We support global languages with a navigation system and the local map database for the latest updated. And the system is ready to install for the specific car vehicle identification number wishes provided by the customer. Before shipping to you, every system is tested on a bench system. The new MBUX system in the head unit will support the voice assistant Hey Mercedes. 10 most popular Hey Mercedes commands are: Number 1, change ambient interior color. Number 2, voice navigation. Number 3, at an intermediate destination. Number 4, climate control. Number 5, weather forecast. Number 6, change radio station media track. Number 7, heated seats. Number 8, phone calling. Number 9, what 3 words. Number 10, text messages should be read after you receive the brand new head unit from us. Our auto service team will assist you with the anti-theft PIN code when coding in your vehicle. The coding will be completed remotely using the Mercedes DTS Monaco engineering system with a C4 or Xentry VCI interface. Thank you for watching.